Hey, everyone! Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of programming and technology. Today, we're going to talk about the difference between algorithms and programs. We'll delve into what they are, how they're used, and how they relate to each other. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a set of step-by-step instructions for performing a task or solving a problem. It is a precise procedure for achieving a specific result, and can be implemented in a variety of programming languages to solve problems on computers. Algorithms can be simple and straightforward, or complex and sophisticated, but in all cases they are designed to accomplish a specific task in a logical and efficient way. How to write an algorithm? An algorithm is a set of instructions that can be followed to perform a specific task. To write an algorithm, you should follow these steps. Understand the problem. Clearly define the problem you want to solve and gather any necessary information or data. Plan the solution. Break the problem down into smaller, manageable steps and decide on an approach to solve it. Write the instructions. Use pseudocode or a programming language to write clear, concise instructions for each step of the solution. Test and debug. Test the algorithm with sample inputs to ensure it produces the correct output, and fix any errors or bugs you find. Optimize. Look for ways to improve the efficiency or performance of the algorithm. It's good to keep in mind that different problem requires different approach and level of detail, so depending on the problem you are trying to solve, the steps above may vary. Additionally, writing comments, explaining the reasoning behind your choices, also helps in understanding and maintaining the code. Example of algorithm? How to write an algorithm for adding two numbers. Case 1. Step 1. Here is a simple algorithm for adding two numbers. Step 2. Input two numbers, let's call them A and B. Step 3. Initialize a variable, result, to store the sum of A and B. Step 4. Set a result equal to A plus B. Step 5. Print a result. Case 2. To find the sum of two given numbers. Step 1. Read A, B. Step 2. Let sum equals A plus B. Step 3. Print sum. Step 4. Stop. Please note that there are other ways to write algorithms for adding two numbers. These are the simple one. Understanding of flowchart? A flowchart is a graphical representation of a process or system that uses symbols and connectors to show the flow of information, decisions, and actions. It is a useful tool for visualizing, analyzing, and communicating complex processes, systems, and algorithms. A flowchart typically includes the following elements. Start and end symbols. These indicate the beginning and end of the process or system being represented. Ellipse. Process or action symbols. These represent specific tasks or actions that are carried out during the process. Rectangle. Decision symbols. These indicate points in the process where a decision or branch in the flow of information, decisions, or actions occurs. Rhombus. Input/output symbols. These indicate where data is input into the process or system, and where results or output are generated. Parallelogram. Connectors. These are used to connect the various symbols and show the flow of information, decisions, and actions through the process or system. Circle. Flowcharts can be used to represent a wide variety of processes and systems, including business processes, software development, and complex mathematical algorithms. They can be helpful in identifying inefficiencies, errors, and potential improvements in a process or system, and in communicating the process or system to others. Example of flowchart? Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read input box values A, B. Step 3. Sum equals A plus B in process box. Step 4. Print sum in output box. Step 5. Stop. What is programming? Programming is the process of creating instructions that a computer can understand and execute. These instructions are called code, and they are written in a programming language, such as Python, Java, C++, etc. Programmers use a variety of tools and techniques to write, test, and debug their code, and they often work in teams to develop large, complex software systems. The process of programming involves designing an algorithm, coding it, testing it, and maintaining it. It includes a wide range of activities, from writing simple scripts to develop operating systems, games, and mobile apps. How to write a program. There are some common steps that are generally followed when writing a program. Choose a programming language and set up your development environment. Design the overall structure of the program and create a plan for how it will work. Write code to implement the plan, using appropriate control structures, data types, and functions. Test the program using a variety of inputs to ensure it is working correctly. Debug the program by finding and fixing any errors. Repeat steps 3 to 5 until your program is working as expected. Document your code to help others understand how it works and how it can be modified in the future. It's also important to make sure your program is well documented and easy to understand, so that other people can understand and use it. Example of program: A is a number which is hold 3. B also a number which is hold 3. Then sum is the another temporary variable where write addition logic between two numbers. Execution of program. Now we are going to compare it. An algorithm is a logical, mathematical, and abstract concept. It's the solution to a problem, but it's not yet implemented in any specific programming language. While programming is the way that you implement the algorithm in a specific programming language, it's the actual code you write to execute the steps of the algorithm. In summary, an algorithm is a general plan for solving a problem, whereas programming is the specific implementation of that plan in a programming language. The algorithm is the what, and the programming is the how.